Hello everyone, in this video we will look how we can connect LinkedIn Ads API to n8n. So let me share you one image first. So with this image you will get to know what are the steps we are going to take. So first we have to create an app, then request an API access. Once we request the API access, we will get a client ID and client secret, and then we have to add that into our LinkedIn n8n credential. We have to create an n8n credential and then configure it and authorize it, and then we will able to test it. Okay, so let's do the first thing first. Let's create an app. So create an app, you have to go to the LinkedIn developers platform. Please ignore my spellings mistake. Yeah, you have to go, then you have to click here, LinkedIn developer platform, and create an app. So I have created an app before. So let's start with the start. Let's create a one test2 I will add, and I have to blur something because this is my client's account. For the safety purpose and for the privacy purpose I have to do that. There is no need to add a privacy policy. It is not mandatory or it is not compulsory to add that, but if you want you can add it, and then app logo should be there. So let me check. Yeah, yeah, here it is. Then you have to create an app. Once you create an app, you have to add this advertising API, share the LinkedIn credential, LinkedIn app to the available products. And to use this, to add to the available product, you have to go to settings first, and then you have to verify your LinkedIn page. So if you click here, you can generate URL, and you have to copy URL, go to copy URL, and then click here. So here you can verify. So if I verify, yes, confirm, yeah, it is verified then. So now if I visit here and I am done, so if I refresh this page, let's see it shows verified or not. Great, now it is verified. So if you want you can add domain here, but it is not mandatory. The first thing that should be what we wanted to done is to verify this app. So once this app is verified, you can go to the products, and now you are able to add this product to your available product. So now you have to ask for the request access. So if I click here and I said request access, yeah, okay. So to get this flowing and to get this working, we have to fill the form first. So if I click on the form, it doesn't take that much time. So I'll add a name, and my name here we need Bahadure. Company name I will add, and I have to blur this company name. Address could be something, a website I have to add, website, and then once I go to next, so it will ask me some questions. So where are from, so I'll do the North America. This thing I have to do, what common industry most among custom, advertising I will choose. Next. Select the one you feel the best. I will choose this platform thing, then I'll choose NA for now, and then you have to fill this form. I have already created a document where you will get what information to put here. So add this here. I'll do campaign management reporting. I'll add this as well. And do you have partnership with any other platform? Yeah, select all, I guess. Next, and finish. Thanks. So now it takes 24 to 48 hours to get this access, and once you get the access you will be able to, yeah, let me refresh it. Let's see we have got the access or not. It took 24 minutes, yeah. So we haven't. So I have created an app before, so let's see that app first. So in that app, if I go to the product, you'll be able to see an advertising API here. Okay, so now, and in the auth, if you go into on, you have to add this redirecting URL also. So I'll tell how you have to add this. So now let's go to step by step. So now the app thing is done. We have already added a product. The product is advertising API here, and now we also have client ID, we also have client secret, and then for and this was the process we have to do into the LinkedIn. Now we have to head toward the n8n. Here I am. So here will be an credential. You have to create an auth API credential here. So if I click on the credential, if you search LinkedIn auth API. So this is inbuilt from n8n. Here you don't have any option to add client ID, client secret, and the scopes. So we have to add different scope. So if you can see here, there are or two scopes. What are the scopes we have? And we need these scopes: our ads reporting, our organization, admin. So this scopes you will get once you have the product added here, this advertising API product added here. So to create an auth, we have to choose, let me close this, create credential, and we have to choose OAuth to API. So if you click continue here, you will have to add this information: authorization URL, access token URL, client ID, client secret, and the scopes we mentioned earlier. So let's start with this. Okay, then you have to add this token as well, and you have to add the client ID. So you can get the client ID from here into the app, and you can paste it here. Then you can copy the client secret also and paste here. And for the scopes, you will be able to get the LinkedIn ads data here. Okay, so there is no need to add something here, and authentication should be body. And this auth redirect URL, you have to add the URL of your n8n. So if you go to the authentication, you see authorize redirect URL. So you have to go and you have to add your authorization URL here. So for now I will copy this one and I will do the update thing. I will update it. So I have done already this, so I don't need to add this one. I have added already. So once this is done, and this should be body, then once this is done, I will rename it as LinkedIn 3. So I have already connected. This is for the yeah. So then I will connect my account. Basic, it will ask you about your email ID, your password, and once you sign in, yeah. So now the connection is successful. Let's do a workflow now. So I'll create a workflow. I will add a trigger, manual trigger, and now you have to use a node that is HTTP request. You have to create an HTTP request. So once I click here, get method is okay. We don't have to change the method here, and here we have to add URL also. Let me get the URL for you. URL. This endpoint is to search your ad account, and your endpoint will change as per the type of data, or as per the type of thing you will need. And if you want, so where you can get this endpoint, you can go here, and if you go to the product, no, here endpoints. So if you click on the endpoints, there is a big method. So for now we are using our search, and this is the finder search. So we are using this endpoint method. So if you can look, so we have used search. Okay, so now for the authentication we use generic, and we will use auth API, and here will be LinkedIn 3, that the auth API I have created before. So here, and now you have to send some headers here. There should be a LinkedIn version, and Don't worry, I will link everything here in the document that I'll be going to share. And then you don't have to send a body. This is done, I guess. Let's see if we can get the data. Yeah, you are able to get the data. The here you will find the ID of your ad account. Here you can see the ad account ID. If you want to verify, you can go to. So here you can see the ID, that is 5177386114, and here you can see 57777614. Let me zoom it for you. So yeah, here we can see that. So in this way you will be able to connect your LinkedIn Ads API with n8n, and once you connect this, you can do multiple things, like such as you can automate reporting, you can evaluate your ad, you can get all the ad data into your Slack, your email. So multiple things we can do here, and for this the basic thing is that how you have to connect the LinkedIn Ads API with n8n. So yeah, here is the thing, and thank you for watching this video, and